Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch on over to the desktop mode on your Steam Deck. And this is relatively easy to do. So all you have to do is go to the power options. And you can do this two different ways. So you can press Steam down here, go on down to power, press A, and then we have switch to desktop. Otherwise, what you can do is hold down the power button on the top. So hold this down. And it's going to prompt this menu to open up as well. Then we can go to switch to desktop. Press A on this, and you're going to see it switch on over to desktop here. And then we can utilize the controls on here. And the desktop mode is kind of cool. So we got that as an option. And you can just move around here. I have to get this to work a little bit better. I don't know exactly how to use everything on the desktop mode because I'm rarely into it. But at any point in time, you can see it says switch to the normal mode right there, game mode. We can just press this. And it's going to open up pretty much just big picture in Steam. Otherwise, you can just open up Steam and go to big picture or something like that. So, and then it's going to return to the normal game mode for you. So it's very easy to switch back and forth. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.